Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. This is my EB410 on another weekday Wednesday night, but I'm going to try out some new tires on the rear. These are J Concepts Ellipses in silver soft clay compound that I'm going to break in for Miles RC. So he's just bought a whole new load of J Concepts tires because he's J Concepts sponsored now, and yeah, so these are brand new, never been on the track. So for my mains and qualifiers tonight, I'm going to be trying these on the rear. Last week, in the video that I showed last week, I was running J Concepts barcodes, but these are kind of an old style of tire. New modern clay tires are very directional and like this. So we're going to try these out and see what they're like. Okay, they worked out pretty well last week where I showed you the first qualifier and then the main. So we're going to do the first qualifier right now with these J Concepts Ellipse and try them out. First qualifier, let's go.
Our running order is going to be Brian, Daniel, Greener, Joel Yass, John Kennedy, Corey Dan, Kevin Tyler, Andrew Mercer, and pretty slow.
Yeah. I'm kind of mid-pack. First qualifier mid-pack, so let's see how I do. You change oils every 2 days.
All right, Brian, on the tone. Everybody else want to call you? Daniel, Greener, Joel Yass, John Kennedy, Corey Dan, Kevin Tyler, and Mercer, and Joel. Alright, everybody ready? Oh boy, guys, this is going to be almost 3.
Terrible start, absolutely horrendous.
Alright, here we go. I'll give you guys a couple laps. Let's all do it. Work together. You guys get together. Oh boy, watch the button, watch the camera, huh? Heads up, Brian, heads up. Good call, Daniel, heads up. Everything's clear. Oh, Readers, that's it down. Oh, great, you're running for it. Alright, let's see where this mess is at. We got Daniel on point, followed by Reader, Brian. Joel Jackson, number 3 spot. Slowly, Reader, George Dan, Anderson, Kevin Tyler, John Kennedy. So a bit of a mess at the beginning, but oh boy.
So if you heard that, I'm currently qualifying last.
Sorry, I caught it. We're here with a rental car here. First time driving. We put it back up in the number 4 spot already, but Daniel on point. All right, Chloe, Nesbitt, Gordy, Joel, Greener, Mercer, Kevin, John Kennedy. That is the running order. 45.5 by Daniel, Brian, 26.61 on the slow. Gordy, Cam, 25.9 for the rest of them. Joel, Yass, 27, Greener, 25.5. 25.4 from KD Money. You got the hot. Oh man. That's how the Reader comes back from a 40. Right there. Me, 40. Sorry, Barney. That's okay. I'll take it. I know you're doing it already.
Dead. Just turned off.
Whoa. Daniel, you were done. Kevin Tyler's done. Reader's done. Oh, yeah.
Well, we can only go up from there. That was terrible. I don't know. Car shut off. I have to figure out what went wrong with it. Well, that would do it. Wire came unsoldered from the bullet. Either it must have got a bad connection, overheated, unsoldered itself, or just wore out from wear. Fixed. Not very good, but for a field repair, it'll do. Okay, this will be 4-wheel drive A main. Setup changes. I leaned in the front shocks, uppers, and I brought in the bottom of the outsides to give my more droop on the rear. So it's actually improved turn-in steering a bit, and I haven't tried the setup change on the rear, so we're going to do that in this main race now. So qualified 7th out of 9.
All right, marshals, remember watching not the races. Drivers, we are racing with the sound of the tone. All right, here we go. Nice clean start for 1, 2, and 3. Ooh, Kevin Thomas, look inside now. Here you go. Those guys are talking all the way. Oh, we're the cans here to race. Pulls it over into the field. He's like, come on, guys, let's go. Brian making us ground. He's low, headed to the chicane. Right into the chicane. Meanwhile, it's over again. Meanwhile, last time I was 21.2 for again. Oh, it's taking it over well. Meanwhile, last time I was at 2 spots and shape up. Brian is still closing it out. So let's go over there. Oh, Brian, thank you. Oh, celebrating Brian. And I think that's going down. Tyler in the 2 spot. 20 seconds to go. 20 seconds to go. With hands slowly higher than ever, greater than ever, John Tekno and the last. Be slow, you're done. 18, you're done. No gas is done. Brian's done. Greener's done. Gordy Cannon, winner. John Tekno done this week round versus World War.
In the end, I think I fell back to 7th where I started. Alrighty guys, so that worked out pretty well. Some good battles in that 4-wheel drive race, so you'll enjoy that. And yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. This EB410. Right on guys, at Electrosport RC Raceway.